Let's start cooking a delicious dinner. We already washed and dried 1 kilogram of okra. But we know that okra is mucilaginous or slimy. Drying with kitchen towel will be quick and effective to reduce some slime during its cutting. Cut the ends from each side. Now cut 1-inch wide slices. During the cooking, we will try to reduce the slimy texture, so it will not taste gooey, but spicy and flavorful. Add 1/4 cup of oil to the pan. Add half of the okra. Now sauté on medium heat. Sauté until there is no slime remaining in between the okra slices. After 10 minutes of sautéing, it will look like this. Transfer to the bowl. Sauté the remaining half and transfer to the bowl. Now add 1/4 cup of oil to the pan. Add 3 medium onions sliced, which will be around 300 grams. Sauté on medium heat. When onions become light golden, add 1 teaspoon of cumin. Sauté on medium heat for 5 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Sauté for 5 minutes on medium-low heat. Now add 3 medium tomatoes cut into small cubes, around 250 grams. Add 1/2 cup of water. Mix it well, then cover and cook for 10 minutes on low heat. After 10 minutes, uncover and add fried okra. Mix it well. Now cover and cook 15 to 20 minutes on low heat until the okra is tender. When okra is tender, add 2 tablespoons of mild green chili slices and salt to your desired taste. Mix carefully not to break the okra. Sprinkle some mild green chili slices and fried onions. Delicious okra is ready to serve. Best to eat with your favorite naan. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.